You have probably heard of prebiotics and probiotics, but do you know what they really are and why they're so essential for health and wellness? As a practicing board-certified weight loss physician, I have done quite a bit of research on the benefits of these substances, and we're still learning more about the significant health and even weight loss benefits they have. Let's start with prebiotics and what they are. Prebiotics are naturally occurring in foods and are non-degradable fibers. They promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut. They basically act as food for good bacteria. And where are they found? In foods such as bananas, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, artichokes, beans, and whole grain foods. Now that you know about prebiotics, let's discuss probiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria that are naturally found in the gut. Good gut bacteria play a role in boosting immunity and overall health. But where are they found? Look for fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and aged cheeses. Also, other foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh. Also, knowing the amazing benefits of both prebiotics and probiotics and how they work so great together, it is no wonder that they are called the dynamic duo. That means adding bananas to your yogurt or combining asparagus and tempeh in a stir fry. So what do probiotics and prebiotics have to do with weight loss? It is truly cutting edge stuff. Some of the preliminary data shows that they may help with weight management by improving the gut bacterial balance, keeping us full so we eat less, decrease abdominal fat, and decrease inflammation in the gut. Studies show that manipulation of gut bacteria might be a novel approach in the treatment of obesity. This is truly the wave of the future. The treatment for so many diseases may lie in the gut bacterial balance. So then why not incorporate both prebiotics and probiotics into your daily routine? If you need help along the way, please reach out to me and my team at healthymeweightloss.com or give us a call at 703-783-5673. We love keeping our patients up to date about the latest research and how to incorporate it into their weight loss plan.